Paano natin maituturing ang isang pro-poor savings product design o ang mga savings products na magugustuhan at naaayon para sa mga low-income households? Kinakailangan, unang-una, dapat secure ang kanilang deposit. So if you are a microfinance institution, dapat na ibibigay mo ang sense of security sa mga depositors. Kinakailangan din na low transaction cost kapag sila ay magsisave. Ang ibig sabihin nito, ikaw yung pumupunta at nangongolekta ng savings sa mga members mo o kaya malapit ang opisina mo kung saan nagtatrabaho o naninirahan ang mga members. Kinakailangan din convenient ang opening hours mo at minimal ang paperwork. Hindi marami ang iyong document requirements. Kinakailangan din na frequent yung pangongolekta mo ng small deposits kasi yun ang kayang isave ng mga mahihirap. Mayroon din dapat itong positive returns. Sa experience ko sa micro-savings, ito yung nakikita kong mga trends. Usually, ang mga microfinance institutions hindi na nagre-require ng minimum maintaining balance or minimum opening deposit. This is to make sure na madaling mag-open at hindi requirement na maglagay ng pera para makapag-open ng savings account. What matters is, nandyan yung account at kapag kaya na ng member natin or ng client natin na mag-save, open na ang account at ready na siya agad gamitin. The savings product should also target specific market segments and address specific purposes. Kung ito ay for retirement, ito for education of children, ito ay para sa celebrations or opening a business, then kailangan malinaw ito sa product design mo. Most importantly, to go back to that sense of security, ang pinaka-clear na proof na ikaw ay secure or you provide security to the deposit is if the deposits are readily withdrawable anytime. What is a pro-poor insurance product design? Kinakailangan mayroon tayong engagement sa PhilHealth to make our members participate in the program because this is the government program that provides universal health care and we should support it. If you are providing health insurance on top of that or any kind of insurance on top of that, it should be affordable, yung premium na binabayad nila, at appropriate yung benefit commensurate to the loss. So, hindi masyadong malaki yung kinakailangan na maibigay natin, just enough to cover the loss of the insurable event or unexpected event. Kinakailangan din mabilis ang inyong pag-process dahil hindi dapat nag-aantay ng benefit o ng claims ang mga mahihirap. If they wait, the tendency is mag-a-access sila ng loans at kapag loans ang ginamit for emergency purposes, ito ay non-productive at hindi siya magandang gamit. So mababaon lang sila sa utang. Kinakailangan din na simple ang requirements sa pagka-claims at mabilis itong naibibigay sa kanila. Maganda rin if you are able to give insurance coverage to a lot of members or beneficiaries of the insured person. Actually, meron naman na tayong insurance practice bago pa nagkaroon ng Western style na insurance product sa Pilipinas. At ang tawag dito ay Damayan. Para rin itong bayanihan na nagtutulong-tulong ang mga tao para i-cover ang isang unexpected event tulad ng pagkakasakit, kamatayan, or aksidente. Damayan is a Filipino insurance indigenous practice and it is permissible under the Insurance Commission rules. Kinakailangan lang na voluntary ang membership dito at hindi guaranteed ang benefit na ibinibigay. And the benefit is based on the collection of the members. Dapat din ang operations nito ay not for profit. So, pwedeng din magkaroon ng Damayan practice ang microfinance institution, lalong-lalo na kapag ito ay nagsisimula pa lamang. Another microfinance product na maganda na dapat magkaroon tayo kung tayo ay isang microfinance institution ay yung tinatawag na Microventure o ito yung pro-poor access to capital. Ang underlying principle nito ay partnership rather than creditor-debtor relationship. You provide appropriate capital amount and term, which means a small amount and short term yung ibinibigay natin for the microventure, and there will be small frequent payments para magaan at kayang-kaya talagang bayaran. Another principle in microventure is risk sharing and profit sharing. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung nalulugi na yung isang micro-entrepreneur ay talagang hahabulin mo pa ang lahat para mabankrupt siya. Ang gagawin dito ay you share in the risks and you also share in the loss and in the profits as co-partners, no? And aside from that, microventures go beyond the provision of financial services. So kinakailangan meron ka ding non-financial services, so you can provide trainings, assistance to post-harvest facilities, and production technology, and so on and so forth. Ang pinakasikat na microfinance product ay tinatawag na microcredit. If we provide loans to our clients, it should be diversified in terms of its loans base or loan use. Dapat meron tayong business loans, and more advanced microfinance institutions, they offer housing loans and water, sanitation, and hygiene loans. Like the Microventure financial product, kailangan appropriate din ang loan term at saka loan size natin. Small in amount and short term ang binibigay natin. When we deliver microcredit, kinakailangan sustainable ang ating interest rate, and we charge and we observe relatively unrestricted use of the loan proceeds. So, ibig sabihin, nagtitiwala tayo sa kakayahan ng mga members natin kung saan nila yon gagamitin. Pero, we have to ensure that it is based on character and capacity to pay para talagang makokolekta natin ang ating ipinautang sa kanila. And of course, meron din mas advanced pa na mga microfinance products and services tulad ng rentals or leasing or microleasing, kung saan nagpaparenta tayo ng equipment sa mga members natin dahil hindi nila kayang bumili ng equipment. We're able to provide them with the equipment or with machineries, with transportation, instead of them buying it or renting it from other more expensive sources. Pupwede rin tayong mag-design ng retirement or micropension. Pero usually, ang ina-advise ko, you just partner with the social security system natin o ang SSS. Dahil if you partner with SSS, you become a collection agent and you also earn a small part of it. Pero napakaganda talaga ng return sa mga members natin if you do this. You can also do transfer or payments, and of course, the most advanced is digital finance, where we make use of technology in the delivery of our financial services. So sana marami kayong natutunan ngayon tungkol sa microfinance products and services. Ako si Sir Vince dito sa President Quirino, Sultan Kudarat, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan.